Actually, this is a easy question, right? Now, first of all, I will show you here again this theorem. But from B and D, go to circumference like this, and from B and D go to center. You know this theorem, right? Very clear, easy one. We need to remember easily. What the BD, from BD go to circumference, and then from BD, same 2 point of the circumference, go to center, subtended at center, and then from same 2 point B and D go to subtended at A. So that means this and this has connection. This and this angles has that connection. But if this is 50, this will be twice of that. Or you can call you can tell even this way. If this is 100, this will be 50. Half of this angle. Oh, this is if you twice of this angle, you can get this. So I will get here has 100. 15 to 2, twice of this. So here 100. And also you need to know another theorem here. Now they tell now BC and CD are tangent to the circle, and O is the center here. So that's why when you have tangent to the circle and radius, between tangent and the radius, it should be here 90, right? Try to remember that. That's also very important one. When you have tangent and radius, right, from center to this tangent point, this is the tangent. They tell no, BC is the tangent. So this tangent point and center, if you join, that means radius and between the tangent, this will be 90. Same as same here also, right? They tell DC also tangent, and this is the radius. O is the center now, so OD is the radius. So radius and tangent between here again will be 90. Now you can find X, right? That means this is a quadrilateral. In any quadrilateral, interior angle add up to 360. So you can write what the 100 plus 90 plus 90, that means this plus this plus this plus X will be equal to 360, right? In a quadrilateral, interior angle add up to 360. So here 100 plus 90 plus 90, so it will be 280, right? 280. 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 100 means 280, plus X equal 360, right? Now you know the rest. So I will keep X here. I will bring this 280 to this side, 360, and then when I bring this plus 280, here will be minus 280. So what the answer for this? 360 minus 280? 0 here. 6 minus 2, 8 can't. Borrow 1 here. 16 minus 8 mean 88, right? So that means our answer is 80 degrees, right?